Tired of seeing your credit score suffer from errors that aren't even your fault? Let's fix that right now. First, you will need to obtain a copy of your credit report from Annual Credit Rep. It's free and allows you to get a report from each of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Carefully review each report, line by line. Look for inaccuracies like incorrect account balances, late payments you never made, accounts that don't belong to you, or outdated information. Highlight everything that seems off. Now, gather your supporting documents. This could include bank statements, payment confirmations, or any other proof that supports your claim that the information on your credit report is incorrect. The stronger your evidence, the better. It's time to write your dispute letters. Keep it clear, concise, and factual. Clearly state the specific errors you're disputing, the account number in question, and why you believe it's inaccurate. Include copies of your supporting documents, but never send originals. You can find free dispute letter templates online to guide you. Remember to send each letter via certified mail with return receipt requested so you have proof that the credit bureaus received it. Know your rights. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, requires credit bureaus to investigate your disputes within 30 days. If they fail to investigate or can't verify the information, they must remove it from your report. Finally, be patient. The dispute process takes time. Keep copies of everything you send and receive. If the credit bureaus don't respond or refuse to correct the errors, you may have other legal options, and that's how you win a dispute and start fixing your credit today.